So, welcome everyone on the call. It's great to be here. Another week. Things are moving so fast. It's a privilege to be involved in this company. It's great to be here. It's exciting. Guys, what I'm going to do today, we're going to see, we saw a new presentation last week. This week, I've decided to cut it in half. So this will be a shorter presentation just about cloudtoken. My name is Paul McCarthy. Got involved in this amazing project back in April. It's moving so fast. It's absolutely a fantastic opportunity. Anybody on the call for the first time, please get out a biro, take some notes, get back to the person who recommended you to this call. And my advice is to get on board because this is moving very fast. Okay, so cloudtoken, the world's first social wealth wallet. We have a very, very simple business. There is nothing complicated or confusing about this business. You download an application, you put it on your phone, you store some of your cryptos on this application, and you get paid for storing. Very simple, absolutely amazing. And what's also great is we are on the App Store. We are the first wallet that I'm aware of that's on the App Store. It's very hard to get any business on the App Store. If you're involved in referral marketing, it's harder again. If you're involved in the crypto space, it's so difficult. And the reason we got on there, we had to go through a load of Q&As. We had to give a load of details of the structure of what we've done, what we're about. And once you pass all that, then with Apple, you get on the App Store, which is great for us, gives us a lot of credibility. We're also on Google Play. So we have a digital wallet where we very simply can store our cryptos, we can receive our cryptos, and we can send our cryptos. So what's different about it? Why is everybody talking about cloudtoken? Why have we 1 million accounts? That probably equates to about 600,000 people. 1 million accounts are funded. Why are we the number one fastest growing business on the internet right now in the industry of what we're doing? Why is that? Why is there a load of other wallets trying to copy what we're doing? Because we're doing something that works. And also, we get daily rewards. You're holding some Bitcoin on Bittrex, I'm sure you are, or Binance, or one of the other big exchanges. My question to you is this: how much are you getting paid to hold your crypto? That's what I ask all my friends and family. They say nothing. Would you like, if I could show you a way you get paid for holding your crypto with us? What do you think they're going to say? Of course, yes. Our first project on our application is called Jarvis. Jarvis is an artificial intelligence based on advanced trading software. We have many different trading algorithms. This has been in the works for a long time. The gentleman, which I'll speak about soon, behind this project, brought Jarvis just to get this started. Jarvis is only the doorway to where we're going with this project. So what's Jarvis all about? What does it do? It rewards delivered daily in tokens converted to Ethereum. Right now, it's USDT, and soon we're introducing DAI. So we'll have 3 you can convert to. First rewards within 24 to 48 hours after your first deposit. You can get on board for $1. So there's nobody on the call can tell me I cannot start this business. You can. If you want to earn commissions from your team that you bring in, you need to participate with $500, okay? And they would need to be $500 and above to participate to earn rewards. Trading transparency. With this project, it's the first project that I know in the industry of what we're doing that shows you proof of the trading and full transparency of exactly what's taking place. And the question you're probably asking yourself, Paul, how much can I receive? On average, between 6 and 12% a month. At the moment, for the past month, it's been about 6 to 7%. That can go up and that can go down. There is no guarantee on the figure you earn here with Cloud 2.0. Then how much can I receive? Give me some examples. Okay, if you put $1,000 deposit into this, on average, it's $60 to $120 per month. How many tokens? You get between 138 and 276 tokens per month. You're paid daily. This is what I love, daily. If you do a $5,000 deposit, that's between 690 to 1,380 tokens per month deposited daily. When we started this project back in April, the official launch was in May. The coin pre-launched at 30 cents. I may say token. Look what happened since then. It's been a steady rise. But remember, nothing goes up in a straight line. We went up and we also came back down. And for the past few days, you probably see we've gone up a bit again. Okay. But what we've seen is something very steady. I don't know about you, but when I woke up this morning and checked my blockfolio, my whole crypto portfolio took a huge hammering. And that's what you see in the crypto market. It's very volatile, very emotional. When I log into Cloud Token every day, I'm very relaxed and very calm because the way this is structured and the way it's done with the reserve fund and the whole system, it's very steady. It's very steady and very comforting. And the way Ronald and the team are bringing this project to market, I must say, it's absolutely amazing. And this is only the start. Remember, Jarvis is only the first project. We're launching, sorry, not launching, we have a celebration event on the 5th of October. And in my opinion, with the stuff that's going to be launched on the 5th of October, we are going to see the biggest wave ever to take place on an online company that we're going to see with Cloud 2.0. Because there's going to be some surprises. There's going to be some big things announced. So I can't wait for the October the 5th to take place and to see the second wave of Cloud 2.0. Up to this moment, we had a huge run. Have over 1 million accounts funded. Jarvis brought us on that direction with the trading robot. But the second phase now is about bringing real utility around our crypto and real utility with the token. So when you log into our application, you can use it on a day-to-day basis. For what you do, and it's full see all the goals here. And why am I confident we can achieve this? Because of this gentleman on the screen before us. His name is Ronald. Ronald is the man behind fourth generation blockchain. What is fourth generation blockchain? First generation blockchain is Bitcoin. Second is Ethereum. Why Ethereum being second? Faster, more scalable. Third is EOS and Cardano. Fourth generation blockchain simply means we are the first to go on a mobile phone. People have tried it before, but nobody's ever pulled it off. So we are on a mobile phone and every single transaction is live. This has never been done before. And Ronald has won Blockchain Project of the Year for doing this with Beta System in 2018. Ronald has left them to come to us. He's done a hard fork and we are now on the Aura blockchain. And guys, when you have a gentleman that's behind fourth generation blockchain, when you have a man that has over 500 million phones around the world in Asia, when you have a man that's been very big with Nokia, very big with Samsung, when you have a man that worked for the government in Malaysia in the blockchain space, you have a man that's never been involved in the industry he's in now. He's come into this industry for the first time. He has a vision. He has integrity. He's humble. And he knows where he's going. This is the reason me and my business partner, Matthias, chose cloudtoken. For 1 year, we sat out of the market. We didn't get involved. But when we saw what we wanted to do, and when he outlined the vision to us back when we just joined the project, I told him, if you can deliver half what you're talking about, this will be amazing. And what we've seen over the past few months is deliverables after deliverables after deliverables. So it gives us and the whole community a lot of confidence in this project. Look at the top, guys. The vision, not so distant. Our end game is to be the future of mobile banking, bigger than PayPal and WeChat combined. Ronald I. Look at the communication. This is one of the accounts. It's in July the 11th. A lot of us were in Malaysia and got to meet Ronald in person, where he logged into one of his trading accounts with Binance at that time and was able to show us 13,000 BTC being traded. Have a look here. They traded 25 BTC in 2 days, just 9K BTC away from VIP 8. Everything he does is transparent and open to the whole community. Look at the communication on Facebook. Anybody on this call who's in this project or here today looking for the first time, follow Ronald on Facebook and you will see daily Ronald giving all the updates and being transparent. He doesn't hide behind any questions because he's the first to say what he's doing now has never been done before. Will we have challenges? Of course we will. Will we have many ups? Yes. Will we have many lows? Yes. It's business. When you have 1 million people who have funded their application, growing pains of any business come with that. And he's very open about this from day one. But there's one thing he has, and as I said already, honesty and integrity and a huge, huge work ethic. And he has a community of people around him who believe in where he's going. So this is why I'm saying the 5th of October is so, so exciting. And it's so important that you're there. Doesn't matter what part of the world you're in. Get on a flight and come to Malaysia to see this event take place. Because once you spend time in the company of Ronald and the team, what it does, it gives you confidence. It gives you belief. You might say to me, Paul, it costs me too much money. I can't get there. Guys, once you get there, you'll make more money. Because once you meet Ronald and gaining the belief and confidence from him and all the other leaders present, that will add to your paycheck. Trust me. This here is proof of trading. You can see all of us here. You can see a picture of me here on the left. Over it, he's showing us the Binance account with all the Bitcoins, everything. Anybody who wants this presentation, guys, after the call, please reach out to your sponsor or myself, and I will email it to you, no problem. So, why cloudtoken? No contracts. You have access to your funds at all times, fully liquid, incredible, simple, and easy to use. Real technology trading software, blockchain, merchant trading platform, passive income within 24 to 48 hours, multiple ways to create streams of income, transparency, live trading videos, account balances. Your crypto isn't converted into anything else, i.e., if you put in 0.2 of a BTC, it's always 0.2 of a BTC. Very important. Community, as we know now, it's growing to up to 1 million users from over 150 countries. No products, no packages, license to buy. And what's very important about this business, doesn't matter who you are, a married mother, single mother, married father, single father, everybody who joins makes money in 24 hours. Normally in this industry, depending on what business you're in, to earn, you might have a binary compensation plan. There's many different ways, but you've got to constantly go out and try to build your team. Here, you do not have to recommend anybody if you don't want to. And everybody's earning a paycheck. We have people earning $100 a day, $50 a day, $500 a day, $10,000 a day, and so on. But the main thing is once you bring somebody into this program and once they start making money, do you think they're going to go somewhere else? Absolutely not. They're going to stay with the program that's working. And that's what I've seen involved in this project. When I go to the event next week in Malaysia, you're going to meet people, everybody's making money. It's absolutely fantastic. I've been involved in some great projects. I've also been involved in projects I was very disappointed with. It comes at any industry and any business. But I've never been involved in a project like this in the past few years where every single person is making money every single day and can get paid, can do a withdrawal every single day. You know, it's absolutely amazing. 4 easy steps to convert your tokens. So one, you put it in here, okay? You convert it over, right, in the application. Right here, you're seeing Ethereum. At the moment, guys, we're using USDT, which is Tether. Make sure it's the ERC20 token. It's a stable coin. And then you can put it from there to Wirex, Coinbase, and then from there to a bank. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Right now with USDT, you put it to an exchange like Binance, and then from there to Wirex. Okay? So what's coming? As I said, Jarvis was just the introduction. Prepaid debit cards, live in the event October the 5th. Travel platform, which is absolutely fantastic. This is where from inside the application, you will be able to use Cloud Token to book your holidays with your family, to book a flight, to book a train, to book a bus. And once your family and friends and loved ones who never heard about crypto, never heard about Cloud Token, but heard about the discounts you're getting with this application, do you not think they'd want to know what this application is? Of course they will. My favorite, the global SIM card. A lot of owners talk about banking the unbank. They talk about it, but they never show you the strategy to do it. Ronald has outlined many times how he's going to do this. And this is going to be something where, if you think of all the migrant workers in the world that are abroad, what's the number one thing they all want? Data. And the way this is structured is that people will be able to pick a package. Ronald and the team will get all them funds and they'll trade it. Okay, out of the profits, packages will be paid for. Depending on the package you pick, the excess money that's made will go towards you the month after for free data. Tell me one person in the world who doesn't want something for free, especially data on the phone. For me, this is a game changer. Not everybody in the world has a bank account. Not everybody in the world has a computer, but nearly everybody has a phone. So we're showing people how to do this with the phone. So do you not think this will attract millions and millions of people to the platform once they know they can get free data? Again, I think this is a game changer. The merchant program. What's the next thing people abroad want to do? Send money home. The merchant program, which goes live again in October, is a way we can facilitate with this. With Western Union, the fees are 10% plus. With our merchant program, 1% on both sides. Project Rogue, which is also going to be rolled out. Project Friday is absolutely another fantastic one. We have already some people connected with Project Friday. What is it? If you have a lot of funds and you want to connect to your personal exchange, your Bittrex, your Binance, you can do Project Friday. And we've already this in operation. Project Rogue is something very interesting as well. If you look up on the internet now, something like Compound Finance, Binance also do it. It's like a lending platform where they pay between 15 and 19% a year, about 1.4% a month. So one of the projects you can do, because there's a few different ways you can do Rogue, right? A few different ways. One of the ways is going to be like this. We'll make a savings lottery. Let's say you put in $10 a day, okay, for 30 days. It's $300. There's a draw. But let's say if 10 million people put in that, okay, or let's say we accumulate between 1 million, let's say 10 million in the community. If you look at that, and at the end of the month, the draw is given up. And let's say whatever figure is there, let's say that's given out to people. We have to decide, and we're having a meeting in Malaysia, how much of that money is going to, let's say 10 million, if my numbers are right, it's about 140,000, about 1.4%. So the decision is this: do we give out 1,000 prizes, 500, 100? But can you imagine somebody participating a tenner and getting 2,000 or 5,000? They can then participate in Jarvis. And the good thing I love about this project, if at any time you want to take your $300 back out, or your $10, or your $100, you can. You don't lose the money. You only lose the time that's been involved in it. So it's like a savings lottery. This is another game changer. And this is why I said after October the 5th, we're going to see the next phase of Cloud 2.0. You might be on this call and you might be saying, Paul, I want to share with a friend, a family, or loved one. Well, let me show you how that works. So let's see on the left here, you have John. What happens? John introduces Sally. Sally puts in $5,000. Now, Sally herself will make roughly an average about $500 per month. Look on the right-hand side and keep an eye in the center, because that's what you make. Just for introducing Sally, you're going to match her check by 100%. Amazing. Then you introduce Joe. Joe comes in for $2,000. Joe makes an average $200 a month. So what do you make? $200 per month. You bring in Jimmy for $6,000. Jimmy makes $600. What do you make? $600. And your second level is a 50% matching bonus. You bring in Timothy for $3,000. Timothy makes how much? Think. $300. Now, because it's your second level, what do you make? 50% of that check, $150. You bring in somebody else. And one of your frontline, Joe brings in somebody else called Susie. Susie comes in for $2,000. Susie makes $200. How much do you make? $100. Now, level 3 to 21. Every time you sponsor a new person, it opens up a new level, okay? So on your third level, you get 5%. So you bring in, let's say Jimmy brings in somebody else, brings in Glenn. Glenn's on $800. Brings in 800. So he's on 80 a month. So think about it now, guys. You get 5% of that. So what's that for you? $4. You might be on this call now saying, Paul, $4 a month. Trust me. This is called the power of numbers. This is the reason I fell in love with this industry. When I saw this industry many, many years ago, in 2008, a company called Synergy Worldwide, still involved with that company, it's a health product. When I saw that I could give a product to my family, friends, and loved ones, it would benefit them, and then they could share it with their friends, and I can make money. I said, why isn't everybody doing this industry? Some of the biggest names in the world are involved in this space. It's still a maturing industry, but it's absolutely fascinating. It's the power of numbers. So once you start building this business, every time you go to bed, you wake up, you make more money. Every time you go to lunch, you make more money. You can build an army of people all over the world that you don't know. But every time they introduce somebody or do something, you're making money. It's fascinating. And so it goes on. This gentleman brings in $12,000. How much do you make per month? $1,200. What do you get? $60. And so on, guys. And every level opens up more and more. So how to get started? Very simple. You download the Cloud Token app, create your account, enter your referral code from your sponsor, add funds to one of the wallets, activate Jarvis AI trading software, start getting daily profits in CTO within 24 to 48 hours. Up and running, guys, in 30 minutes. This business is so simple. So I encourage each and every one of you, if you like what you heard and saw today, get back to the person who recommended you. Have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you all in the 5th of October in Kuala Lumpur. Take care, and God bless.